everyone, welcome to the Grace of DIY Home Decor. So in this video today, we're celebrating the grand finale of the 12 Days of Christmas Clothes collab, and this is being hosted by Ali from Glam Elegant Living. Now we also have some beautiful co-hosts, and I'm going to be linking them below in the description box along with myself. I'm also going to be linking the playlist, so make sure and watch the videos, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to that playlist, guys, because I'm sure you will not be disappointed. So I have to say that I really enjoyed doing these 12 days of Christmas. This was absolutely awesome, and I thought I'd end it by feeding everyone. Yeah, we're doing the charcuterie board thing. I'm gonna be practicing this until I master it, guys. And we have all the holidays to do that. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and leave you to a little bit of music, and then I'm going to see you at the end. I do want to take a moment and thank Allie from Glam Elegant Living, along with all of the beautiful co-hosts, for this collaboration. So here we are at the reveal, and I think this looks absolutely gorgeous. I know I'm still learning, guys, but you know what? This looks absolutely delicious. So as soon as we get done here, I'm gonna start chowing down. Now, I do also want to take a moment to wish everyone a wonderful, beautiful, blessed holiday season. Make sure and stay safe and just enjoy your family and count your blessings, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed putting it together for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys.